okay? No more!
Hello everyone, I'm Blue. Thank you for all your support. I'm very motivated by some of the artists I have met on Instagram. I just want to say thank you to them and to those who are watching my video right now. I'm much appreciated. I would like to share the following with you guys, which I have seen by some of the Instagram bloggers and small YouTubers like myself who have made the same mistake I have made when they started their channel. The first one is have a unique niche. Many people in the beginning especially could want an art channel with reference artists for their creation. Yes, you should try and explore more when you're still in the stage of developing your style. It's really reasonable. Please don't assume that doing imitation will help you gain a lot of followers or subscribers, unless you're really league.
Are you serious?
Having a unique niche or strong style not only helps you to stand out from others, but also helps you to go further in a long-run competition. Seriously, if you're imitating the ideas from the big YouTubers or Instagram bloggers, it will lack of originality. So why the audience don't go to them, but instead of you? And the second is be consistent with your style and be consistent to upload your Instagram or YouTube. People are more enjoy to see an account like this rather than a Google style. Third one is engage with your followers. I believe most of the people like the old me treat the number shown in Instagram or YouTuber as number. But we forgot that they are real human beings in the other end. So engage with them if you have a small channel like mine. Build your own community. Aside from the algorithm, your followers are the most helpful and loveliest friend who can help you go faster. So make them be your friends. Friends who spread the words with your work. So also, you can help each other to grow. Do you know what I hate the most in Instagram? The way some people follow you, like your picture, then they follow back, and suddenly in the next day disappear. They unsubscribe you, unfollowing you. It's hurtful. So please do the effective sub. Don't do sub for sub. Just like what I say, behind the number there are real human beings, so don't hurting their feelings. Aside from that, you will be banned from YouTube if you're doing sub for sub. Well, I think it's a really good idea to follow some account when you just establish your account, but do the effective sub instead of sub for sub. I know having a good amount of followers, of course, will make you feel I'm the coolest man in the party. But if this sub doesn't bring any value to you, please don't do it anymore. Just focus on a target audience who really admires you because your art, because your personality. Don't let this sub for sub hurting your feeling and your account.
Stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
So that is pretty much to say. Honestly, I have more to share with you guys, but I don't want to make video become too boring or too long. So maybe share with you next time. Hope everyone can grow and shine together. Cheers! Bye bye!